and I welcome you to a quick tutorial on how to find if a judgment is overruled or not, and if it is, how do we find it? Now, to simply understand how we denote if a judgment law point is overruled, we put this red exclamation mark on the point which has been overruled in the subsequent judgment, as you can see in point 6 and 7. So to understand simply, this is the mark which will simply tell you if it's overruled or not. Now, as we now know the meaning of this red exclamation mark, let's find a judgment with the help of a party name. For that, I click on this dashboard icon, take Find by Party Name as an option. Now, while we are at it, you can open a judgment with the help of a citation or by the party name. In both the scenarios, you will get the similar screen. I'm going to take the same example that I was showing you earlier. Double click on this entry and open the full judgment for me. Now, the reason why we can show you the difference, we can go into so much of detail that law point wise we can tell you is because of this. Let's see the first screen. It says digest notes and the judgment. Now, because of this bifurcation being done in the first place, we can tell you law point wise that which all law points were overruled rather than just giving you on the top of the judgment that judgment is overruled or not overruled. But that is also being done. So if you see the judgment, it says overruled in case Puttaswamy case. Now, in case you would like to filter all the overruled law points of this judgment in one screen, how do we do that? Because if you see, we saw 2 points over there which were overruled and subsequently 2 more over there, and there's another one. So for that, we will use our search within search result tool. We go over here, write the word overruled because that is what we're looking for, and start search. Now, as we click on the start search icon, you will see the result have reduced from 68 to only 17. Now, wherever the word overrule was occurring has been brought in front of you. Now, as you can see on the screen, they are all the overruled law point listed one after another. However, the point number 6 doesn't have an exclamation mark. That's because the word overruled was being mentioned in this point. However, it is also important. If you see majority opinion held, constitutionally overruled, and this is Khanna, dissenting opinion, constitutionally incorporated. So majority view was overruled, minority view was upheld. It was because it was not completely overruled, we thought not to put a red exclamation mark so that you can just go and you can use the minority view if that is in your favor, and just leave the majority view because as it is overruled. So that's why you left it off. In case you want to go back to your previous search, wherein you had the full 67 head notes and one judgment, you can do that by just clicking on this overruled cross, and within no time you'll be back to your original search. This is how you can find out if a judgment is overruled or not. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep yourself updated with the latest information. Thank you so much. Have a good day.